In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install the mobile presets on your app. So when you originally download the file, you're going to see a zip file looking something like this. When you double click on it, you will expand it and see this folder. Inside that folder, you will see something like this. I imagine you've already read this and that's how you got to this video. So you're going to open the presets folder and select all of the files inside. You're going to right click and select share and airdrop. This works if you have a Mac and an iPhone. If you have a PC or an Android, another option would be to email the files to yourself or save them somewhere on a cloud like Dropbox. So select airdrop and make sure that your phone is open. You're going to select your phone and the files will send to your phone. So I'm going to hop on over to my phone screen to finish the rest of the process and show you how to get these presets into your app. So here we are in my camera roll. All of these white squares are the files you just sent yourself from your computer. So we're going to head to the Lightroom app. And on the home page, we're going to create a new album. So hit that plus sign next to albums, click create new album, and you can just title it the name of the pack. Hit OK, and then you're going to head into that album. Here you're going to add all of those photos you just shared with yourself. So click the little plus sign at the bottom and click from camera roll. And to select these, you're going to swipe right on each of the DNG files. Once you've selected all of them, hit add 12 photos. It may take a second, but they'll show up in here once they're ready. And there's two ways to get the settings from these photos onto your photos. So we're going to click on an image and you can either hit the three dots at the top right corner and click copy settings, click OK, and then head to one of your own images. And in the top right corner, hit those three dots again and click paste settings. Another way to do this is to head back to those photos, click on the image you want to create a preset from, and you're going to hit those three dots again, click create preset, title the preset the name on the image. You can hit done, or you can also put it in a subgroup to keep things organized if you have other mobile presets. So you can hit user presets, click create new preset group, and title it the name of the pack, and then hit the check mark. Now when you want to edit an image, you can go to your photo, scroll over at the bottom to presets, find the preset that you just saved, click on it, and it will apply all those settings to your photo. So you can go ahead and repeat that process for all the images that you just saved into your album.